The new HONOR Magic 6 Pro is an elite smartphone and goes toe-to-toe with the likes of the iPhone 15 Pro Max and the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. Firstly, that design is seriously premium, feels super solid in the hand, and that matte black panel is probably the best black tone I've ever seen on a smartphone. Almost petrol and very Batman-like, it looks very super slick indeed. And let's talk about that camera. It's an AI-powered Falcon camera system and is apparently comparable to a pro-grade camera experience. And HONOR are aiming to establish themselves as one of the best at capturing action and sports moments. That I've mentioned many times before is an area a lot of the current crop of phones tend to struggle with. It includes a 50 megapixel wide, a 50 megapixel ultra wide, and a whopping 180 megapixel periscope telephoto. And again, according to HONOR, this phone outperforms a lot of the current competitors in that 2.5 to 10x zoom range, with the intention being able to achieve amazing clarity in a lot of your long distance zoom action sports shots. Think your favourite stadium players, etc. And you also have a 100 times total zoom thrown in there for good measure. HONOR's popular AI motion sensing capture is great for predicting and capturing those really decisive moments, which you'll know you may only get that one opportunity. So to get it in that high definition quality is great. And on top of that, this phone has seen a whopping 210% improvement to the dynamic range. Bit of beatboxing there. True to life colours, high contrast ratio, so you should still be able to get some really impressive shots even in those really high contrast lighting conditions between really bright and really dark scenes. Now on top of that, the ultra wide camera doubles as a macro, and the main sensor has a variable aperture from f1.4 to f2.0. This will allow in more light at f1.4, so you can get those really nice blurry background depth of field shots, or at f2.0, more details in focus across the whole shot. But we've also seen improvements to the battery. This now hosts a 5,600 mAh battery, and apparently they utilize technology derived from electric vehicles, which is pretty cool. And there's extended usage even in low temperatures, allowing you to apparently record 11 minutes of video shooting in -20 degrees with just 10% battery remaining, which I'm not saying I would probably use that, because I think -20 is a little bit cold for me personally, but you never know. And you also, rolling back the years, have an IR blaster on the top. Flipping to the front, you have another 50 megapixel sensor in that pill-shaped camera cutout. And that display panel is a thing of beauty. Now, peak brightness is an area that has seen a lot of improvements in recent months, and the HONOR Magic 6 Pro takes it one step further. 5,000 apparently. Now, presumably, again, we'll be looking at specific types of content and certain portions of the display with all the resources going to that area to achieve that. Nevertheless, that is hella impressive. That display is 6.8 inches, has LTPO technology, so you can achieve a variable refresh rate up to a max of 120Hz, and a PPI density of 453. Now, HONOR previously have made a big song and dance about the PWM dimming technology in their smartphones, reducing eye fatigue. And again, the 6 Pro has taken it another step further, going to 4,320 Hz. So in terms of eye strain, again, this should be right up there. You also have other display terminologies like circadian night and nature tone, which can adapt to your individual sleeping patterns and adjust the color temperature based on the surrounding environment. And HONOR have been doing a lot of work on the strength of their displays recently, and the Magic 6 Pro is equipped with the HONOR Nanocrystal Shield, which sounds very Braveheart, but apparently it provides 10 times the drop resistance, as certified by SGS's 5-star glass drop resistance ability. Navigating that display is really nice and snappy thanks to HONOR's Magic OS 8.0 over Android 14, with full access to the Google Play Store. And while software is always subjective, there's no denying there are tons of features across the board, and I feel Magic OS is really maturing in recent times. You have the likes of Magic Ring, which enables seamless cross-device connectivity among HONOR devices, and AI Privacy Call 3.0, which ensures enhanced user privacy by leveraging AI technology. You have the Magic Capsule, which adapts as you use and interact with different apps, and a lot of the 2024 tech talk has all been around AI, both online and on device, and there are some super cool inclusions here, like the Magic Portal, where you can, using AI, drag and drop images, text, addresses, etc. to the sidebar, where certain included third-party apps will process this information, allowing you to instantly get directions, shop, and find out more info and share to friends. This is amazingly helpful. And of course, partly the reason why the interface feels so snappy is thanks to the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chip inside, which is the flagship kind of go-to that many smartphones are using this year. This phone is available in this black colouring and also Epi Green as well, which I'm sure is also pretty lush. Don't say lush. With, I believe, 12 gigabytes of RAM and 512 gigabytes of storage. Yeah, that is what my one is. And it's got stereo speakers which sound like this. Apologies for the dancing. Dual SIM, Bluetooth 5.3, 4K 60 FPS video, and 3D facial recognition. As far as 2024 flagships go, this, even now in late February, this is going to be right up there. And if you're not sold on the likes of the Samsung S24 Ultra, the OnePlus 12, iPhone, if you're on the iPhone thing, this is definitely one to consider. As much as I've loved what Honor have been doing recently, even I'm shocked at how much I like this phone. But let me know in the comments whether it's right for you. Follow me on my other socials for short form content on the Honor Magic 6 Pro. Like if you enjoyed it and found it helpful. Subscribe if you want to see more content like this. My name's Adam. You've been the best as always. I love you, leave you. I'll see you in the next one. ASBYT, peace out.